Welcome back to Going Walkabout, Episode 8, where we get invited to go fishing with our friends and neighbors, Sean and Teresa, who also own Baja Resorts at East Cape for awesome adventures. Looks like you're walking into heaven.
Oh, wow.
So we put our trust in First Mate Cheppy and Captain Pepe, and what a day they delivered. As we're heading out of Barriles, one of the interesting things to note is these 3 pyramids. It's a natural landmark that you can use for dead reckoning, and apparently the fishermen have been using it for literally hundreds of years.
Freeloading, honey. He's a freeloader.
What we couldn't see that our friend Freddie could was that there was a massive school of yellowfin tuna on the horizon, and they were pushing up all the bait fish, which are Freddie's favorite food. So he was saving his wings so that he could dive on those fish later. As we began to approach the school of tuna, the sea erupted with activity. We had thousands of dolphins around us. There were seabirds of every type. With blue marlin, dolphin, yellowfin tuna, and baitfish in the area, it was a National Geographic moment. You can certainly see why dolphins are considered one of the most intelligent mammals in the ocean. They were around us the whole day. There's thousands of them, and they just took advantage of this huge school of tuna to feed on all of the bait fish around.
It's a fighter. It's a fighter. Dos. Yeah, there you go. Come on, honey. Finally, your fish. Don't let it go.
All right, Kiwi.
There you go. Well done.
As you can see, it really was a perfect day. Thankfully, Mexico has made the Sea of Cortez a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Now future generations can enjoy this pristine environment. The entertainment for today was brought to us by spinner dolphins and spotted dolphins. And just what do you do with all that tuna? Sushi, anyone? Well, today was preparation for the Dorado Shootout, which is next weekend, which we'll be bringing you a video of. Wish us luck and be awesome. If you enjoyed the video, please like or subscribe. And thanks again to Teresa and Sean for an awesome day.